Hello guys, welcome to this new video. We have a Lenovo laptop and the problem is the mouse pad is not working. So you can see the cursor is stuck here and we trying to move the cursor but it's not moving. So let's check first of all if this is a software problem. Is there any settings in the Windows which need to be enabled, or is there any hardware problem? So first we will check for on the software or Windows settings. For that we need to connect an external mouse here. Look, I have connected an external mouse first. So what we need to check if this mouse pad settings is enabled in Windows or not. Then we will look for hardware problem any. So first we need to click on this Windows button here. Just type in the search box, type touchpad. Look, if you search for touchpad, it will bring some settings here. Touchpad settings, turn on the touchpad icon on or off, turn on the touchpad on or off. So we will click on these settings. Okay. So in the first top you can see touchpad is here, it's turned off. So the problem is in the Windows settings. It's a software problem. So first we just click here and turn it on. Now just minimize this Windows and just we can check if this cursor is working or not. So guys, this was settings in Windows 11. The mouse pad was turned off and we just turned it on from here. Just type touch and it will bring the settings. From here I am repeating, just turn on the touchpad. Here you can see I have turned it on and it's working now. That's perfect. And if you face such a problem in any Lenovo laptop, this is the procedure, or in any laptop in Windows 11 you can do these settings, and in Windows 10 you can Google it, and when in Windows 10 is the procedure is same, you can do this fix.